Homeownership comes with many rewards and just as many responsibilities. Responsibilities such as maintaining your roof, which if left uncared for could result in damage to your home and associated costly repair bills. To maintain your roof and gutters properly, inspect them every spring and fall. The roof surface may wear unevenly due to a variety of factors such as the amount of sunlight it receives, how long moisture stays on the roof due to shaded areas, and local temperature extremes. Check for damage, missing, or curling shingles. If you find one or two, don't panic. These can easily be repaired. Look in the gutters. If you see significant amounts of granules from the shingles, this is an indication that your roof is wearing and should be examined further. If you see green stuff, that's a sign your roof has fungus or algae on it. Your local home improvement store sells products that will kill the algae and fungus, which if not removed may lead to roof damage. Metal roofing is prone to rusting. If present, take a wire brush, remove the rust, prime, and then paint. Brush off any debris present on your roof. If left for too long, the debris can cause algae, hold moisture, and clog gutters. It is important to clean the gutters on a regular basis so they don't clog and cause additional building damage. Pay attention to nearby branches and make sure they're not scratching the roof or have the potential to fall into the shingles. Trim them back if necessary to prevent damage. Also look inside the house on ceilings, walls, and around the windows. If you notice any discoloration, dark spots, or mold in your attic, then there's a good chance that your roof is leaking and needs repaired immediately. Like any other mechanical system, such as your car, your roof requires regular attention to protect the investment in your home. For more roof maintenance tips, please contact your independent agent.